The GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Countertop Convection Oven aims to be a versatile kitchen helper. Not just another appliance cluttering your counter. It tries to be your toaster for easy brunch, your oven for baking dinners, and your air fryer for crispy treats. This GreenPan oven boasts a good number of functions, including bake, broil, roast, and even proof and dehydrate. It comes with a PFAS-free ceramic tray and pizza pan, which is a big plus for health-conscious cooks like us. The adjustable racks offer some flexibility for different food sizes, and the multifunction presets try to take the guesswork out of cooking various meals. Using the GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Countertop Convection Oven feels mostly straightforward. The controls are reasonably easy to understand, and the indicator lights help you track the cooking process. While it's not a magic box, it does a decent job at most of its advertised functions. For example, air frying chicken wings results in a satisfying crisp, and baking cookies yields evenly cooked results. The inclusion of a pizza pan is handy for quick pizza nights. However, like any kitchen appliance, it has its limits, and you might still need your regular oven for very large meals. Overall, the GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Countertop Convection Oven presents itself as a solid option for those seeking a multifunctional countertop oven. It tries to combine several appliances into one, saving space and offering convenience. The PFAS-free ceramics are a notable feature, aligning with a growing search for healthier cooking options. While it might not completely replace a full-sized oven for big family dinners, its versatility for everyday cooking tasks and smaller meals makes it a worthwhile consideration for many kitchens, and Lolly Kitch might find it a useful addition too. Pros: does lots of things, no harmful chemicals, easy clean trays, pizza ready. Movable shelves, many cooking choices, works as a toaster, can bake nicely, good for broiling, roasts food well, can proof dough, dries foods too, stylish blue color. Cons: uneven cooking possible, exterior can get hot, knobs hard to adjust, temp increments of 25. Racks may not be strong, customer service issues, durability concerns raised, price may be too high, size might be small. Features: convection oven, air fryer 13-in-1 PFAS-free, ceramic tray, pizza pan, adjustable racks. Multifunction, toaster. The GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Convection Oven and air fryer is a helpful kitchen tool that can do many things. It can air fry, bake, broil, roast, and even toast. It has a special tray and pizza pan that are easy to clean because they don't have harmful chemicals called PFAS. You can also move the racks inside to fit different sizes of food. It has many settings to help you cook different meals easily. This oven can replace many other kitchen appliances, saving you space. The GreenPan 13-in-1 Elite Oven can do many kitchen tasks like toasting, baking, broiling, roasting, proofing dough, and drying food. It comes with trays and a pizza pan that are easy to clean and don't have harmful chemicals. You can move the shelves to fit different foods. It's a stylish blue color. However, some people have found that food can cook unevenly. The outside of the oven can get hot, and the knobs might be hard to turn. The temperature changes in big steps, and the shelves might not be very strong. Some customers had issues with getting help and worry about how long it will last. It might also cost more money and take up a good bit of space on your counter.